So does dosing timing matter? I think it pretty much comes down to personal preference, but in this video, I'll give my experience so far on how different dose or shot timings affected me, so you can be aware of what can happen and have a dosing schedule that works for you. So dose or shot timing to me is when I take my shot or what I do before I take my shot. A lot of this just comes down to side effects and how you respond to your dose, and it can change over time from what I've experienced. Okay, first, fasted or not fasted. Fasted meaning not eating or drinking anything, but water is fine. When I first started microdosing, I took my shot fasted because I heard that if you have a lot of food in your stomach or just ate a heavy meal, you can feel sick or nauseous after your shot. I didn't want that, so I didn't eat anything, but I feel like having a light meal is probably fine and more ideal. Eventually, when I knew how I responded to tirzepatide, I took it before bed and after a full day of eating, so not fasted. So this whole fasted versus not fasted thing just didn't matter to me. Okay, morning versus night. My very first shot, I took it in the morning because I was scared I was going to have an allergic reaction because I'm just neurotic like that. But after I took the shot, I was good and I didn't have to worry about it again. I felt some appetite suppression, but I also got a headache, which was one of my main side effects. And the reason why after my first 4 shots, I took it at night before bed, because I can sleep off the headache. And I've taken my shot at night ever since. Now, recently, I've been taking it a bit earlier than usual, and I noticed I don't get headaches anymore. So if I want to take it earlier, like in the morning or something, I think I probably could. So if you notice you get bad side effects after you take your shot, you can consider taking it at night and hopefully sleep off the worst of it. But another side effect that I would occasionally get is stomach cramps that would wake me up in the middle of the night. But it wasn't too bad because I can usually just go back to sleep. Now, if you don't get bad side effects, but you get a bunch of the good stuff like the appetite suppression, taking it as early as possible can be a good idea so you don't eat as much during the day, if overeating is an issue for you. Okay, weekday versus weekend. This is only for when you take your shot once a week. I take mine every 5 days, so I can't follow what I'm about to talk about. But I would if I could. So I eat out a lot at restaurants, usually during the weekends. The issue with this is that sometimes I can overeat if it's before shot day and my appetite suppression is less, which isn't great for weight loss, but great for my happiness because I like food. If I could take my shot on a specific day, I would ideally take it around like Thursday. So Friday to Sunday, I have enough appetite suppression to not overeat. But if I didn't mind eating a bit more than usual on the weekend, I would take my shot on Sunday night, and during the week, I can focus on eating less and losing weight. Also, this is something I want to mention that happened to me and might happen to you. For the majority of the 6 months I've been microdosing, when I take my shot, I feel appetite suppression the next day because I take it at night. But there was like a month where I didn't feel it until like 2 days after, which threw off my whole dosing schedule. Then when I fixed it after a month, I went back to feeling my shot the next day, which messed up my dosing schedule again. I don't know why this happened, but the point is just to be aware of how you respond to GLP-1s because it can suddenly just change. Maybe it's a me thing, so I don't really know, but hopefully you don't have to deal with this because it's pretty inconvenient. But yeah, anyways, quick video. Thanks for watching. Bye.